Yeah, seventh one. The stadium. The teachers arrive at the school early. What is the adverb here? Huh? The teachers arrive at the school early. What is the adverb here? Nobody knows.
Ma'am, arrive.
Arrive is verb. Describing the verb. How they are coming to school? Early, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and what is the type of adverb? Early. Time. Isn't it? See, early time. And what is it modifying? Arriving. Yeah, Dheeraj, tell the next one. The stadium.
Yes, ma'am.
Brightly lit.
Yes, ma'am. Brightly, ma'am, adverb.
Very good. Brightly.
Kind of adverb. Ma'am, type of kind of adverb of manner, ma'am.
And what it is modifying?
And modifying was lit, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, was and lit, ma'am.
Just lit. Was lit or lit? Okay. Rest you do it on your own. I'll forward the answers. Now let's go to the next one. Complete the sentences with suitable adverbs of frequency. You may repeat some of the given adverbs. Okay. So, Sohan, read this.
Ma'am,
The
which
same
one, ma'am?
adverbs can be repeated. The doctor checks. Okay, Pranavi, you read.
Ma'am, Sohan, ma'am.
Read fast.
Ma'am, which one, ma'am?
I'm sharing the page. Aryan, you read.
The doctor checks my grandmother's health frequently.
Very good. Ashit, second one.
Yes, ma'am. My family rarely goes on vacation together.
Okay.
Together, ma'am.
Lasya.
Yes, ma'am. We see him only sometimes.
At the third one.
Santosh, read third one.
Yes, ma'am. He plays golf. Ma'am, he plays golf frequently.
Frequently you can write, regularly you can write, or rarely you can write. So they can be used interchangeably. Okay, write this.
Daily also.
Write this. Put the numbers, later you write. Okay. For example, regularly, which blank will come, put the number on the top.
Ma'am, what is second one answer?
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Rest you later copy it. Next, now read the sentences. The bucket is almost empty. The teachers are very helpful. He drove quite dangerously. The highlighted words, that is almost very, tell the extent to which an action happens. Adverbs that tell us the degree or extent to which an action happens are called adverbs of degree. So far we have learned adverbs of manner, place, time, frequency. Now we are learning adverbs of degree. The adverbs of degree answer the question how much. For example, the food is very spicy. The word very tells us that the food, how spicy the food. That means what is the degree of spiciness in the food. You are eating so quickly. So tells us how fast he is doing it. The word so tells us how quickly the person is eating. The word the weather is still too cold. The weather too tells how cold the weather is. Fill in the blanks with very, so, or to. Chaitra.
Ma'am, can I didn't get one.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Simran is a
Simra, ma'am.
Ma'am, Sohan, can I?
Ma'am, this is
The
Chaitra,
colors
ma'am. Someone are reading, ma'am.
Kyati, I will
Lasya.
give you a chance. Wait. Chaitra, read.
Ma'am, it's last year being used.
Simran is
Kyati, you say.
Can I, ma'am? Yes, ma'am. Simran is a naughty child.
Very, so, or to.
Simran is a very naughty. Ma'am, I said the question, ma'am. I'm saying the answer now. Ma'am, but already Abhinay said. Ma'am, very.
You have to tell both answer and question at the same time. So,
Simran is a very naughty boy.
very good, naughty child. Okay.
Ma'am,
Charvi, the
can I
second
tell,
one.
ma'am?
Pranavi, you say. The colors.
Yes, ma'am. The colors are too bright for me.
Yeah, too bright. Uvasha.
Yes, ma'am.
The lychees.
The lychees
Are.
the lychees are very sweet.
Let's see the answers. So sweet.
Ma'am, it is so. Ma'am, it is so, ma'am.
Yeah.
Completed, ma'am. Ma'am, Sohan, can I? Hello, ma'am.
Over.
No, ma'am. Can you wait 1 minute? Completed, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Now read the first sentence in the each set and then fill in with a different adverb in the second sentence. For example, she speaks French fluently. She speaks French
Occasionally.
similarly.
Occasionally.
Yeah. Jessica, second one. You must.
You must drive your car carefully. You must drive your car.
Cautiously. I mean,
Cautiously.
similarly, write for others also. Eat quietly, eat sensibly. Then she wrote the letter clearly. She wrote the letter
Neatly.
Copy this.
Completed, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, write later. Now, rewrite the sentences by placing the adverbs in the correct places. He reads a book. Can you first, Ashit, can you from use this adverb in the correct place in this sentence?
Yes, ma'am. He reads a book. He reads sometimes book.
He reads sometimes book. I think it's wrong. Pragnesh,
Book sometimes.
Pragnesh, Abhinaya.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Abhinaya, Varshita.
Ma'am, Abhinaya.
Hmm.
He put usually a little sugar in the milk.
We didn't get the answer. We didn't get the correct answer. What is the correct answer?
Ma'am, your voice is coming.
What I do? Somebody is on.
He sound, ma'am. Ma'am, Pragnesh.
Ma'am, it's he sometimes reads a book.
He sometimes reads it. Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
I put
I
a little
put a
sugar. Read.
I usually put a little sugar in my milk.
Yeah, I usually put a little sugar in my milk. Next.
He often listens the radio.
Often, it is silent. She often listens to the radio. He often
Man
listens.
never gets angry.
And
Sumit and
never gets. Sumit and
Sumita
Smita are often hungry. Okay, rest I will forward. You think about it and do. Now, comparison of adjectives. Just like comparison of, we have 3 degrees of adjectives, isn't it? Positive.
Positive, comparative, and superlative.
Positive, comparative, or superlative. Just like we have 3 degrees for adjectives, here we also have 3 degrees for adverbs. First time we are learning this. We have learned that adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. Like adjectives, adverbs too have 3 degrees. What are the 3 degrees? Positive, comparative, superlative. For example, Ravi works hard. Positive. Praveen works harder than Ravi. Comparative. Syed works the hardest of all. Superlative. Now let's study how adverbs form their comparatives and superlatives. Same rules. We'll directly solve it. Yes. Let's read some adverbs. Well, better, best, badly, worse, worst, much more, most. Okay, complete the table carefully.
More careful, most careful. Most careful.
Carefully, right? Carefully, most
Ma'am,
carefully, most carefully. Far,
Carefully, most carefully.
far,
Far, far, and farthest.
adverb. Far, further, farthest. Swiftly. More swiftly is given. So positive will be
Swiftly.
superlative.
Swiftly. Most swiftly.
Yeah, most joyfully.
Joyfully, more joyfully, most
Most
joyfully.
joyful. Earlier.
Early, earlier, earliest.
Earliest. See here. Bad, worst.
Bad, worst, worst.
No, it should be adverb. Now you are telling about adjectives. Badly,
Bad.
worst.
Bad,
Badly,
badly,
worst.
worst,
Greedily,
worst. Greedy. More greedily.
correct.
Most
Most greedily. See here. Okay, rest you light later. Complete each sentence with the correct form of adverb in the brackets. Aryan, read the first one. Santosh, where are you seeing?
Walk faster than
Fast.
fastest. the rest of us. Vivek was
Faster
faster
than
than
the others.
rest of us.
Rest of others. Abhinaya, second one.
Yes, ma'am. I talked to Purva
More
More
frequently than
frequently.
Anchal. Satvik,
Yes, ma'am.
what? Yes, ma'am. Satvik, read third one. Why are you taking so much time?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, you are saying yes, ma'am.
Swiftly, more
greeted-
swiftly, most
Not that
swiftly.
one. We are doing B part. Third one.
Okay, ma'am. She greeted everyone politely.
Yeah, positive degree only. Okay. Fourth one, last year.
Yes, ma'am. Pratima speaks French more fluently
Dan.
than Angela.
See, you are comparing Shilpi and you are comparing Pratima and Angela, two people. So, comparative degree. More frequently than.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you are understanding my logic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Last one we'll do, fifth one. I did my homework dash my brother.
Fast. Ma'am, we are
you did not
Shilpi
Shilpi
dance.
first one, ma'am.
Yeah, Shilpi danced of all. She's compared with all the dances.
More gracefully.
Most gracefully. Most, right?
Most gracefully.
Okay. Prepositions. Yeah, all of you know what are prepositions? Preposition tells the position of
What is happening?
An object or
Ah, a position
Things.
tells the position of a noun when compared to other things. For example, look at these pictures and notice the position of the mouse with respect to the box. Now pick out the correct word or phrase from the box and write it under the picture. Yeah, mouse is
And
under.
under the box.
Second box, mouth is
Above the box.
no behind. It's behind. Wait.
And behind is last, right, ma'am, last second behind
This
is
is over. Mouse is over the. Over is not here. No, how did he give? Yeah, anyway, third one is
On.
Ma'am, in ma'am.
in.
and
Fourth
in
one
the box.
Ma'am, on.
Above.
on the
Above
box.
the box.
On, right?
yes, ma'am.
Fifth one is
Next to the box.
next to the box or in front of.
In front of the box.
This one is.
Behind the box.
Behind.
This one is
In
Next to.
next.
next to the box.
Yeah, write this.
Ma'am, for second one only above is left, ma'am.
Yeah, I think instead of above, he gave over. Right above. See, only 19 participants came. In the first class, 26 participants came. Fine. Now these words tell us where someone or something is there in relation to something else. A preposition is a word that shows the position of things and people in relation to some other thing or some other place or something else or someone. Some common prepositions are in, on, off, across, off, through, before, behind, near, over, beside, inside, outside, with, to, into, under, except, between, till, and until. Underline the prepositions in this sentence. Varshita, first one.
Yes, ma'am. I walked to the shop.
What is the preposition in this?
Ma'am,
Huh?
to.
To. Last year,
To.
second one.
Yes, ma'am. The boy jumped off the wall. Off.
Okay. Kathy, third one.
Yes, ma'am. I have never heard of him before. Ma'am,
Off, ma'am.
Off. Pragnesh or Santosh, fourth one.
Under.
ma'am, second one answer is jumped, ma'am.
Can I tell? Ma'am, Santosh, can I tell?
Santosh say.
Yes, ma'am. Potatoes grow under the ground, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am.
No, under. The is article, Santosh. Isn't it? Dheeraj,
Can I,
fifth
ma'am?
one.
Ma'am, can I, ma'am?
Dheeraj, fifth.
Ma'am, potatoes grow under the ground. Ma'am, under.
Under you already told.
Ma'am, can I, Jessica?
Ma'am, can I tell
Ma'am, can I, Jessica?
Jessica, fifth.
Behind, ma'am.
Yes. Pranavi, sixth one.
Outside. Yes, ma'am.
Mana,
Why
sixth
don't you
one.
wait outside the office?
Mana, seventh
Ma'am,
one.
Varshita is saying, ma'am, I didn't said. Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I didn't said, ma'am. Varshita
Okay, Pranavi,
said.
say seventh one.
Hello, ma'am.
Manas, wait.
Yes, ma'am. The bird built its nest between the branches of the tree. Between, ma'am.
Very good. Manas, eighth one.
Yes, ma'am. Please collect all the books and place them on the table.
On.
Ma'am, on the table.
Parvit, ninth one. Charvit. Varshit Reddy.
Ma'am, Dheeraj, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Dheeraj. Hello?
I will ask you, Dheeraj. Varshit. Ninth
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Please collect all the books.
That is
And
already
play-
over.
Sorry,
Ninth one.
They climbed over the fence and went into the garden next door.
Over, ma'am.
Over and also
Ma'am,
into
over.
also.
Into.
Ma'am, even
Ma'am,
into.
over, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, over.
Both.
Ma'am, over.
Into.
Okay. Check your answers.
Ma'am, we didn't
Ma'am,
do
tenth one.
10th one.
It's okay.
Last one.
Ma'am, it is 2, ma'am. Last one. 2 and off.
Off is there. Far is there. In is there.
Four are there, ma'am, in the last.
Okay, let's go to the next topic. So similarly, just like how we have adverbs of place, time, frequency, manner, and all that, we have also prepositions of different types. There are different kinds of prepositions. Let's study about them. Read the sentences. He is waiting for us at home. The winner is on the victory stand. The children are in the hall. So all this at, on, in, to, between, behind, under, in front of, over, above. These highlighted preposition tell where is something located or where is something situated. Prepositions that tell us about the position of things are called as prepositions of place. Can you repeat along with me? The prepositions that tell us about the positions of things
About the position.
are called as prepositions of place.
Are called as prepositions of place.
Okay.
Place.
Now read the sentences. Our class begins at 9 a.m. I often go for a swim in the morning. The party is on Sunday. You must finish the work by 9 p.m. The school will remain closed till 1st January. The office will remain closed until further notice. By, since, for, during, before, from. These highlighted propositions refer to specific points of time. Prepositions that tell us when something happened are called prepositions of time. Last one, prepositions of movement. Look to your left and you will see your destination. She walked through the door. Can you jump over the fence? They walked along the river. The highlighted prepositions show the movement. The boys dived into the pool. Prepositions that show the movement from to or from a place are called prepositions of movement. Don't get tensed. When we read, we will clearly understand. Filling the blanks with a suitable preposition. Yeah, first one. She
ran through the door.
Yeah, she ran
Through the door.
through the door.
Two.
Through the door.
Ma'am, through, ma'am.
No, towards the door. Okay. They walked
In the city.
Along the city. Ma'am, along the city.
no
Ma'am,
through
in
or
the city.
around the city. Through or around. The boy fell
Down
In the river.
into the river.
River.
I live
In 52.
no at
52.
At
the
52.
plane flew
At 52 Plum Street. From.
over or above Jaipur. Sixth one, the ground shook under her. Under her. My wallet is
In the briefcase.
in the briefcase. The train went
Through the tunnel.
through the tunnel.
Into
Through
the
the
tunnel.
tunnel. Into the tunnel.
I will meet you not into
At
the
the
at the
airport.
see here at the airport.
At the airport.
I will meet you.
At the
Ah.
airport.
Her bag was
In the chair. In the
on
chair.
the chair.
On the chair.
It cannot be in the chair, on the chair. I moved
To Germany
to
in
Germany in
To
1998. The thief climbed
Over the wall.
Over the wall.
the trekkers walked
On the hill.
up the hill. The satellite dish is
On the roof.
on the roof. I have to put the milk
In the fridge.
in the fridge. The party will start
At 8 p.m.
see here,
At
our
8
classes, listen to me. Our classes begin at 9 a.m. Similarly, the party will start at 8 p.m. Throw the trash,
In
the
dustbin.
yeah, in the dustbin. Rest you do it on your own.
Ma'am, for 17th one, into the dustbin, ma'am.
In the dustbin. Into the dustbin. Okay. Sometimes we get confused prepositions with adverbs. Let us learn identify prepositions from adverbs. Read the sentences. Karan ran down the stairs. We met outside the mall. Get inside the room. In these sentences, the highlighted words are prepositions, and each preposition is followed by a noun, which is known as object of preposition. He sat down. We met outside. Get inside. These sentences, the highlighted verbs are adverbs because they modify the verb that precedes. See, sat, adverb, down, met, outside, get, inside. Now identify whether the highlighted words are prepositions or adverbs. Come inside. Is it preposition or adverb?
Ma'am, preposition.
Ma'am, adverb.
Adverb.
Ma'am, adverb. Ma'am, adverb.
Yeah. See, A. Write A for adverb, B for preposition. Please stand outside.
Ma'am, inside means
Adverb.
preposition only, right?
Adverb.
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 Ma'am, it is an adverb.
Yes. An eagle circled above.
Ma'am,
Preposition.
No, adverb only. Third one is also adverb only.
Ma'am, fourth one also adverb.
I had not met him before.
Adverb.
I looked out.
Ma'am, adverb.
Yes.
Adverb.
Eighth one is preposition. The car slept inside the box.
Box.
Okay. Now let's go to conjunctions. Rewrite the sentences after correct. Yeah, what are conjunctions? Can anybody tell?
Ma'am,
And,
the
but,
word connect.
because, of, what are these words?
Ma'am, any word that ma'am, any word that can make two sentences, ma'am.
Very good.
Any word which connect two sentences. Any word, ma'am,
Conjunction.
conjunction means that
It's
any
one of
word
the.
which
All of
can
you,
connect
please
two
don't repeat the
sentences.
same thing. All you are crazy. 10 people are talking at the same time. Can anybody understand? Conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions in simple word we can say are called as joining words. Oh, okay, joining words. They have join either two words, two sentences. Yeah. For example, simple joining words are or, but, because, so.
And also,
And also. So there are so many conjunctions. So conjunctions basically are joining words. Okay. They can either join two words, group of words, or two sentences. So rewrite the sentences after correcting the use of conjunctions. The rain is heavy, but the game will not be played. Is it the correct conjunction?
No, ma'am.
The rain is heavy.
Because
Not because. So the game will not be played. Okay. So what you do, instead of writing everything, just strike off but and write so on the top of it, and later you write the sentence. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
We are not going out to play, or it is raining. We are not going out to play because it is raining, isn't it? See here. We are not going out to play because it is raining. So strike off or and write
Ma'am,
because on
or.
top of it.
Ma'am, can you tell the first answer?
So,
I'll forward answers later. She came first in the race, but she was very unhappy. But she was very happy, it seems.
Ma'am, and she is very
Oh,
happy.
So she was very happy. She came first in the race, so she was very happy. I don't like pasta, so do I like pizza.
ma'am, but
Yeah, very good. I don't like pasta, nor do I like. Nor is also conjunction. Nor do I like pizza. Mary has 2 brothers, yet 6 cousins. Instead of yet, what should come? Yes, Mary has 2 brothers and 6 cousins.
And
It's raining or take your umbrella.
Raining. Ma'am.
Take your umbrella.
So.
Go
Go.
take.
Ma'am, go take.
Cut
So
off.
a word that connects two or more words or sentences is called conjunction. That is, it connects two or more words or sentences. Conjunctions like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so help in joining words, phrases, or sentences. Okay, when to use the correct conjunction, you need to first understand. Okay, see here, we have many dogs and cats, and will be used when to connect two words. When we want to connect two phrases or two sentences, we use or. It started raining, so we came back home. If you want to connect two sentences, we need to use so. What is a phrase? What is the difference between a phrase and a sentence? Who will explain? Nobody knows? What is the difference between phrase and sentence?
Ma'am, sentence means a group of words, ma'am. Ma'am,
Phrase is
phrase
also.
means word.
What is the
Ma'am,
difference?
ma'am, sentence means a group of words, ma'am. Ma'am, and phrase means only one word, but have more meaning.
No, you are wrong. See, sentence and phrase both are group of words. Only difference is sentence makes sense. It gives some meaning, whereas phrase doesn't have a complete meaning. For example, you can go to the hills or to the beach. To the beach is a phrase. To the beach, which beach, where, who is going? That is a phrase. Whereas it started raining, so we came back home. Whereas we came back home.
Phrase means no details, ma'am.
No meaning, no complete meaning. Sentence means it
Okay,
should
ma'am.
have complete meaning. See here, we came back home. Who came back? We came back home. It's a complete sentence. So when we are joining two sentences, we use so. When we are joining two phrases, we use or. And when we are joining two words, we use and. Okay. So for is used for because, and is used in addition or adding some more similar ideas, nor, and not, but, however, or any alternative. That means you want to eat ice cream or chocolate or some sweet. If you are given options, we use or. Now fill in the blanks with correct conjunctions. My favorite sports are football
And tennis.
and tennis. I wanted to go for a film.
But
That is the refuse. I like cooking.
Geeta confused.
Refused.
But I don't
cooking.
like.
Yeah, but I
But I
don't
don't
like
like.
washing dirty
Wash.
dishes. I need flour, butter, sugar,
And
and eggs to
egg.
bake. He studies a lot.
But does not get good marks.
score good marks.
Beauty, ma'am, but I did not
Yes, Eva.
go to.
Ma'am, only 15 members are there. Yes, ma'am.
Satvik left the class.
Even Kathy.